my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Am I voguing? Vogue. Just never know what year it's going to be when you come to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're my doll baby. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. Today we're doing a wig haul, okay? And we have Motown, Tress, and Outre in this wig haul. So let's just get started. First up, we have Outre Ava, and I got Ava from Shop Hair Wigs for $16.87, and I have her in the color DRB 30/4. And it says that Ava is heat safe up to 400 degrees. This is a half wig. I've been on this like half wig kick, and so this is what Ava looks like. So pretty. I love the color. She's a yucky texture. Yeah, I probably need to leave her out because I really want to wear her. So that is Ava. All right, next up we have Outre's lace front wig, and her name is Arlena, I think. Yeah, Arlena. I got her from Shop Hair Wigs for $23.28. Let's take her out. And I have Arlena in the color DR Cream Blonde. Okay, so she's heat safe up to 400 degrees, comes in a bunch of colors. This is her. Color is stunning, yucky texture. Ooh, I'm very curious. Okay, and next we're going to move on to the Motown Tress. I also got this, I think most of these came from Shop Hair Wigs, if not all. I got this from Shop Hair Wigs for $20.31. This is Miss Delta, and I have her in the color OFH4/blonde. So this is Delta on the stock card. Okay, she is a deep lace part, center parting, lace front, but she has a deep lace part. Gorgeous, gorgeous color, face framing. Yeah, she's so pretty. I can't wait to review her. Next up, we have Peggy from Motown Tress, and I got her for $21.78. I don't know if I have this wig already. I feel like I just did a wig haul where I got her, but I got, if so, I either got her or one similar to her, and it was in this color FS Brown Pink, and I was like, yeah, that's a purple wig. But this one is in T4/27, and I'm obsessed with this one. This reminds me a lot of my Outre wigs, like Haley, Ebony, all those ones that I loved and actually kept. This is definitely the same color, and it's looking like the same kind of tapered situation. So I am excited to review her. Next up, we have Kasey, and I got her for $20.73. And I have her in the color Mocha Frost. And I cannot wait to review this one. The color is stunning. She's a light yucky texture. There is some silkiness to her. She's so pretty. All right, we have 2 more. Next up is Time. I got her for $20.31, and I have her in the color Camo Green. I'm excited, so excited about this. I really like this color. I have another wig that I got in another haul with the same coloring. So this is Miss Time, and this is the wig. Ooh, she's really, really pretty. I think this is definitely, you know, a fun alternative to, like, if you just want, you know, a brown, but you want something a little bit different. This is a, you know, cool tone situation, and I think it's a fun alternative. So I got her. And last but not least, I got, who did I get? Stacey, and I have her in the color F4/27 Frost, and I got her from Shop Hair Wigs for $14.85. And this is Miss Stacey on the stock card. And this is her. She's kind of similar to Time, but Time is the middle part and she is not. But the color is so stunning. So yeah, that is what I have for you for this quick little haul. The wig that I'm wearing right now is the wig company's Iris from their Statements line. It's in the color 4. I have a quick show and tell on this one. I also did Iris in a blonde color, so you can look in my the Wig Club playlist for it. If there's any of these wigs you would like me to review sooner rather than later, put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!